Amazing. We have Kathryn here with us where we just want to really, talk about your win, Kathryn, going through COA, the program, getting clarity within the offer, having now gone through the closer process as well.
Mhm.
So thank you for being here. Like, tell me more about that and, the win you've gotten from getting that clarity and just going through the program in and of itself.
It's been really refreshing to be able to get like just massive clarity. Like I can see how when I was trying to speak to people before, because I work a lot with businesses and I'm fine there, but when I'm trying to get one-to-one clients, I find it really, really difficult. And I think it's because I'm overwhelming them with so much information.
Mm,
Um, and the clarity that the process brings in terms of really kind of nailing it down to three kind of pillars, and the process you go through in terms of how you say what you do and how you explain that and how you would explain that in a sales meeting is been fantastic. And so my background has been in marketing and sales, and this kind of approach, particularly with like the closer process, never had anything like that. And
mm.
I think that would have made a massive difference when I used to do sales as well. So it's really brilliant to kind of gone through that process and really get that massive clarity for myself. um, so I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm saying, and I know how to present myself in a way that people will understand it and want to buy into it ASAP.
Incredible, incredible. And so, before you had all this, then where were you before starting COA? Like, how was that like?
Sure. So before I started COA, I had been working with schools and charities, doing the work that I was doing. But where I really, really wanted to be working was with parents, and just how it had all happened, because I kind of left my job to set up my business. And then 3 weeks later, we went into lockdown and I was homeschooling. And so I kind of just fell into getting clients from where I knew I could get them easily and quickly. And I had all the contacts in the charities and schools industry. And whilst I really, really love and enjoy working with them, my heart was really wanting to be working with the parents. But I always found it really challenging to make that jump across, because it seemed like such a lot of work, the constant posting on social media and all that kind of stuff. And this never seems to be getting anything back from it. And it was much easier to get the wins where I knew I could get them and secure the money to be able to keep my family going. So I found it really difficult to make the shift across. So it was frustrating that I couldn't be working with the people I really wanted to be working with. So
Mhm.
this is going to help me get there now, and that's really, I'm very, very excited about that. I'm really excited about that.
Incredible, incredible, incredible. And for you then, what have you enjoyed the most about COA so far? We have people say that it's the process in and of itself, so it's the main program and it being easy to follow along with step-by-step modules. Maybe other people also say that it's the support that we're here for you every single step of the way, week to week, answering questions in the live clinics or in the group. Or was it the assets, the funnels, the templates, ad copy, closer process? What was your what have you enjoyed the most, would you say?
God, that's really hard. All of it, really. If I had to pick one thing, I think it's like I guess the very clear process. Like, this is what you do. Like, I have done like other things before where they're like, oh yeah, go and do a webinar and do this. I'm like, okay, well, how do I do that then? And they're like, just do it. And like, that's not helpful. I don't know how to do it. But you really take us through step by step. This is what you need to do now. And this is exactly how you do it. And here's a template for you to do it with. So you're not sat there scratching your head going, oh, how to do
Yeah.
this. And if you are sat there scratching your head going, I'm not sure what to do, you can go and just go on the group and ask the questions, and get the
Mhm.
help you need. So
Yes,
yeah,
yes, yes. Terrific, terrific. And what would you tell someone who was thinking about joining COA?
do it. Do it. Because like I said, I've done other bits and bobs before where I was hoping that they'd show me how to make that, that ability to get to those one-to-one kind of customers, the parent side of things, and just never came to fruition. They just never showed me what I needed to know. And this shows you what you need to know. Like there's no ifs or buts. It does what it says on the tin.
Awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, so yeah, Kathryn, look, great immense clarity, super pumped for you, like even just, going through it at speed and just getting clear on what you need. Yeah, thank you so much. And thank you for being here today. Many, many more to come, much more to come for sure. Okay, so we're just gonna dive in and get on with your next steps to
Mm-hmm.
yeah, getting you through the program and getting yourself some clients and using that
Yeah.
closer process. Okay.
Okay. Sounds brilliant. That's what I need. Yeah.
Yes. Amazing. Okay, cool. Thank you again. Thank you.